Let's cut on cost in 5 steps. Discover a simple tool in 11 sectors to save resources, money and gain competitiveness. First, register. Then select your sector and enter the questionnaire that addresses your business needs. Choose the business operations that are relevant for you. Get a detailed report with tailored recommendations. Finally, take action and improve your resource efficiency. Reduce your water and energy consumption. Optimise your use of materials. Reduce your waste. Introduce environmental consideration into your business strategy. Have any doubts? Ask the ERIC network members in your region. Easy, right? Now it's your turn to take a shot. Go find the tool on the ERIC website and have a look at our other services.